Hi, welcome to another edition of Coffee Time Tuesday. Did you know that May is Small Business Month? And at CSB, we proudly support our small businesses in our community. So, today I have with me Jeannie Connolly. She is our Senior Vice President, Commercial Relationship Manager.
Hi, Brooke.
Hi. And then also I have with me Bill Spencer, who is our Vice President, Commercial Relationship Manager as well.
Thanks for having me, Brooke.
Of course. Welcome. Bill, could you tell our viewers why it would make sense for them to bank at a local community bank such as Clinton Savings?
Absolutely, Brooke. Our personalized services that we provide our clients, our local focus and understanding of the local market, and most importantly, the accessibility to your banker like myself and Jeannie.
Thanks, Bill. That was great information. Now, Jeannie, can you tell me about the businesses who may be looking to expand their business? What type of finance loans we offer for them here at CSB?
Yes, Brooke, we have a variety of loans. We have construction loans, we have term loans, and we have lines of credit. And for those small customers that might need an enhancement, we have SBA loans. We customize our loans for our borrowers' needs.
For more information or simply to talk to Jeannie or Bill, you can contact them at the number here. Thank you both for being here today, and I hope you all enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.